At its peak, the water advances at around 10 meters a minute.
Can't believe how fast the water's coming in now. You can see it rippling in over all these dips and troughs. All that land that was behind me has totally disappeared.
Of water flow into the bay. The Bay of Fundy has the highest tides in the world because of its shape. The
It seems extraordinary that just this morning we were walking past this island and the path that we were walking on is now 30 or 40 feet underwater.
But the reason why the tides are at their biggest in a very particular orbital alignment.
The highest tides happen when the gravity of the moon and the sun work together. But around the equinoxes along the equator, and as they pass over the centre of our planet, we spin right through the middle of a mammoth tidal bulge, giving us the biggest tides of the year. Geographical peculiarities create. In Britain, the Severn Law is one example. Even bigger is the Amazon tidal bore. But the biggest of all is in South.
Oh, okay, Marshall. Come on, get up. Get up. You've been cleaning yourself for like 30 minutes.
Today's tides standing.
I seriously have to get up, buddy.
Gives us surprising insight into the history of the Earth's spin.
How am I gonna do this? I'm gonna have to remove him. I got him. Huh. We're good. You just can't stop him.
Because as it builds an external skeleton, the coral.
I can't stop him. Like, he's been cleaning himself for like 2 hours straight now. I don't know what to do. He just keeps cleaning himself. He is the weirdest cat I know.
As good as a history book.
What are you doing?
And it gives a really